Ready to turn your TikTok profile into a selling machine. First, make sure you have a TikTok Shop account. Head to your profile and tap Seller Center. You'll need a business account to access this. Inside the Seller Center, tap Products, then select Add Product. Now, give your product a clear and descriptive name. This helps customers find it. Next, write a compelling description highlighting the key features and benefits. Then, choose the most relevant category for your product. Upload high-quality images showcasing your product from different angles. Good visuals are key. If your product has variations like size or color, add them here. Set your price and available quantity for each variation. Double-check everything before saving. Configure your shipping options by setting the weight and dimensions of your product. Choose your preferred shipping method, like seller delivery or platform delivery. Finally, tap Submit for review. TikTok will review your product to make sure it meets their guidelines. Once approved, it will be visible in your shop. And that's it. Your product is now ready to be discovered on TikTok Shop. Get ready to sell.